When planning a trip, most people view multiple social media profiles, they read travel blogs and platforms across many different web pages. And this is a problem, and we fix it with our app, Trippi, a social media-based application that allows users the ability to plan, record, and share everything travel-related, all from one app. My name is Edgar, and I am a 4-year Air Force veteran.
My name is Justice, and I'm a 6-year Air Force veteran.
My name is Roque. I am an 8-year Army veteran.
My name is Brandon, and I'm a 15-year Army National Guard veteran.
Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm a 6-year Army veteran. So, as travelers, we love using travel apps, but feel that we lack one centralized app that combines the best of all the worlds. To fix this, we created a travel application adopting known travelers' favorite features and added a spin of our own. Some apps that have inspired us are Pinterest, where users pin travel inspiration, Instagram, where users socialize through feeds and posts, and Google Maps, where users can geolocate themselves and their travel interests. Our app combines these features, but unlike the other apps, Trippi is focused on the social and collaborative nature of travel. Users communicate primarily by sharing about the places they've visited or those they would like to visit. They're able to document their trips in a virtual travel journal they personally curate and share with others as a source of inspiration for future travels. We created Trippi, the first travel app that does it all. Create your virtual passport and share it with the world. At this time, Roque will now give a demonstration of Trippi.
Thank you, Andrew. Upon visiting our webpage, a user will be asked to log in. Here we are logging as Raphael. A user's dashboard will display their contact card with profile information and travel cards they created of places they have visited or plan to visit. Here we can toggle between light and dark mode. And from the Trippi feed page, we can view the travel cards made by other users. Look at all of this. Wow. Temples in Thailand, beaches in the Maldives. Amazing. Timeless ideas and endless inspiration. And brr, the icy Antarctica. We can search for travel ideas or occasions, such as honeymoons or backpacking. We can also search for other users. Let's search for our good friend, Ankur. There he is. Wow, Ankur's map presents us very well traveled. Look at the places he has visited. Peru, Sydney, Belize. Let's see where he's been in Europe. Vatican City. Maybe we should go to Rome. Let's give him a follow and see exactly what he did while in Italy. We will scroll down to his travel card labeled Italy. And we see that he's been to Rome, Milan, and Venice. Rome looks cool. Let's see what he did there. The Colosseum, the Trevi Fountain, cool. I've always wanted to visit the Colosseum underneath it all. Here on the map, we see Colosseum as center to Rome, perfect. And today it's actually open from 9 a.m. to 7:15 p.m. So that's good to know. I feel very inspired right now and I want to plan a trip. So I'll go to my profile page. I'll click on the add trip button and I'll type in trip to Italy as the name of my trip. I'll put in a short description. Obviously, Ankur was a big part of my inspiration for this trip. So I'll give him the credit there. And I'll add a beautiful photo of Italy. Next, we'll select a start date. And I will select tomorrow, the 14th, and we'll make this a 10-day trip spanning through the 24th. For the city, I will enter Rome. And in the details, since we're a big history buff, I for sure want to see the Colosseum. I'll add a photo cover for this Rome trip. That's a beautiful photo. And I'll go ahead and add the city. Here I'll search through the attractions. Like I said, Colosseum is a must, so we're definitely going to visit there. We can add all types of attractions from here: historical sites, architectural feats, cultural centers, restaurants, cafes, bars, and shows. We'll also add the Trevi Fountain. And what's a trip to Rome without a little stop by the Vatican? So St. Peter's Basilica it is. Once you're ready to travel, you click on the button and you view your profile page with your newly created travel card. Trip to Italy, Rome, and all the attractions. We thank you for choosing Trippi, and we really hope that you enjoy your trip. Next, Brandon will talk about our project's technical details.
Thank you, Roque. Trippi was built using Django and Django REST framework on the back end and React on the front end. We store our data using a Postgres database, and authentication is achieved through JSON Web Tokens. To deliver maximum functionality, we leverage the powerful capabilities of two Google APIs. First, we integrated the Google Places API, which employs latitude and longitude to geolocate specific attractions. Also, through the autocomplete feature, we are able to accurately store information in our database in a consistent and error-free manner. Second, we integrated the Google Maps API to display the locations of various establishments, including nearby locations presented with operating hours, customer reviews, and street views. In addition, users' preferences and location history are also recorded in Google Maps, which allows users to explore easily, all packaged in a familiar user experience. Next up will be Justice to discuss the technical difficulties we experienced.
Thank you, Brandon. At the start of our project, we deliberated about the organization of our project and excitedly began coding individual pages and components. Because our communication was suboptimal, we were inundated with involved merge conflicts and worked from one to the next. At 9 days into our project, with 4 days left, we knew we had to make the difficult decision to restructure our entire project. Because much of what we had envisioned had changed, we spent a day and a half reorganizing our folders and files, remodeling our database, and reclassifying our pages and components. After this arduous undertaking, we were able to merge quickly and efficiently. From this experience, we learned the value of maintaining a unified and standardized organizational structure and the importance of frequent communication. Now, on to Edgar for the future of Trippi.
Why, thank you, Justice. Now, we all know that Trippi is good, but we of course intend to make it great. Our first goal is to make this app publicly available so that users all around the world can join our Trippi community. We'll use AWS. Eventually, Trippi will enhance its social media capabilities, combining geolocation and instant messaging to allow users this opportunity to link up live while traveling. Next, our users will be able to upload videos and reels similar to those seen on TikTok and YouTube, since we are in the age of motion picture. And lastly, as APIs become available, we would like to expand our offering to include the ability to make restaurant reservations and purchase flight tickets and event tickets and hotel accommodations, all from within one app, Trippi. Trip with us. Thank you. And of course, if you have any questions or any ideas on how we can make our app better, let us know. Our emails are down below. And yeah, that concludes our presentation.